Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 16 divide 4 bracket 2 plus 2. That looks simple, right? But still, many people fail to solve this. 2 plus 2, 4 and 4 times 4, 16 and 16 divided by 16 as 1, which is a wrong answer. Because when you have given multiple operation like division, then bracket, and in bracket there is an addition, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. As per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first we have to solve the bracket. So rewrite the terms 2 plus 2, 4. Now remove the bracket and put multiplication sign. Now we know that multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So 16 divided by 4 times 4, which is 4 times 4, that is 16. So what is the correct answer? 16, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.